Ever wondered how someone actually saves $1,000 in a single month? Today, I'm taking you through my entire day from morning routines to budgeting hacks, showing you exactly how I do it without feeling deprived. Let's get started. I start my day by reviewing my daily budget. I track every expense before I even leave the house. Breakfast is simple: oatmeal or eggs at home. It costs a fraction of what eating out would, and it keeps me fueled for the morning. Every small saving adds up. Next, it's work time. I focus on my main job and side hustles. Every extra dollar contributes to my $1,000 goal. I avoid unnecessary spending during work. No coffee runs, no snacks, everything prepped at home. Productivity and savings go hand in hand. Lunch and snacks are prepped in advance. I plan meals to last several days, buy in bulk, and avoid impulse purchases. Even saving $5 per meal adds up to big monthly savings. And snacks? I make my own instead of buying packaged options. Transportation is another place to save. I walk short distances, carpool, or use public transport instead of driving alone. Small lifestyle changes like this save me $150 plus per month. It's all about being intentional with every dollar. In the evening, I review my expenses and check my progress. Seeing numbers add up motivates me to stick to the plan. I also plan the next day's budget. Reflection is key. Understanding where your money goes helps you save without feeling restricted. By consistently following these daily habits, budgeting, meal prep, cutting unnecessary spending, and tracking everything, I save $1,000 in a month. The key isn't magic, it's discipline and awareness. And trust me, small daily actions lead to huge results. If you want to start saving $1,000 in a month, start with one small habit today. Comment below which tip you'll try first, like this video, and subscribe to Tipster Hub for more money-saving hacks and daily finance insights. Remember, spend intentionally, save smartly, and watch your money grow.